Hello and a warm welcome to the course on Tableau. My name is Kirill Romanko and I will be your instructor. And first off, how is this course different? Well, unlike other classes out there, this course is truly step by step. And already after the first section of this course, you will be able to start analyzing with Tableau. Then in the second section, we'll go into a bit more depth, learn some additional skills, and still cement in the ones that we've already picked up. In the third section, we'll go into a bit more depth, and so on. And you will see how you're getting better and better with every step that you take in this course. And also in this course, you will learn by doing. Every single module in this course is a new dataset, a new visual, and a new exercise for you. So let's have a sneak peek at some of the powerful visuals that you'll be creating in this course.
In this course, we will be working with the full suite of visuals you can possibly imagine in Tableau, starting from your bar charts and moving on to your line charts and area charts. Right there, we turned our line chart into an area chart and we're adding some labels to make it look fantastic. We will work with maps, lots of different maps from the US, UK. We'll add scatter plots to those maps, and I'll show you how to include those maps in powerful dashboards, and you will see how easy it is to create dashboards. And we will even look at storytelling. I will show you how to create a storyline and fully leverage the power which is within Tableau.
Does that sound like something you've been looking for? Well, then don't put it off. Click the Take This Course button now and join the class. And I look forward to seeing you inside.